Thank you.
Do you have scissors?
Grandma had the scissors, anak.
Jolene has a scissors.
You might twist. The twist off will become.
Jolene, but you're not. They are.
Ikaw na bahala.
Rubber bands. You want to break your doll's hair?
It's hard.
Grandma, can I use it after you?
Yes, after.
Please.
Impatience, yes, please.
Por favor.
Por favor.
Okay, Mom, now you just made it sound nice.
Por favor.
Por favor. I mean, please.
Ang galing naman niya maglagay na siya ng taga-assistant mo.
Can I have the scissors, please?
Teka muna.
Por favor.
Patient. Oh! Julene, look! Look, Julene!
Photobomb.
Look! Whoa!
Thank you.
Whoa! Whoa!
Get the antidote!
Thank you.
Whoa!
Who's that for?
Eh,
Who's that for? How do you split that? How do you split that? Split. How much money? 33 each. How much money?
99.99 divided by 3.
I'm thinking $5 for each and then the 85 for me.
Oh, wow.
There's your dolly.
Oh, wow. Thank you. God bless.
Here you go, Joanna. Done. To you. Who wants
Say thank you, Grandma. Did you guys say thank you, Grandma? Tapos siya naman. Hug Grandma now, guys.
I love you so much.
Eh, ba't ganyan ang hug? Ba't ganyan ang hug? Ha? Hello?
I opened your mail.
Love you in Portuguese? Mi amor.
Mi amor.
Yeah. They're the same.
No, they aren't.
Yeah.
Because por favor is please in Spanish, I'm guessing Filipino, and Portuguese. Did you know?
Okay, you can have the scissors now, anak. Grandma is done with...
I already got out the door.
Gilana, see, let me see here. Is your friend. Put it here, Gilana. So I'll see you. Can you put it here? Gilana, put it here.
Here comes
Gilana, can you put your toy here? Put it here. Thank you. Okay, sing now, Jane. Here. Oh, here. Hindi ko na makita. Gilana, can you put it here?
All your toys look the same.
Gilana, can you put it here? Your high guys cannot see it.
They're sour.
You put like a
Ito na.
special thingy on them to make it sour.
Very sour.
Yeah, I don't know what it is though. Grandma, are you gonna eat?
Kain ka na daw, Mali. No, Grandma is still opening the gift. Oh, you got 19. So how much is that? 99.99 divided by 3?
$33. Let's go on the calculator. I want to eat cash.
33 times 3 is 99.
Hello, hello.
Here. What's the $100 divided by 3? What's 10?
It doesn't come out equal.
Yeah, it's good coming out.
33.33.
Okay, someone get the calculator. What's 99?
Namumblema na naman si Julene.
3 is 99.
Yeah, 33.
That goes to 99 and there's $1 left over.
Well, there's more.
Namumblema na naman si Julene Dong.
Bakit?
Kung gusto niya ng buo eh.
I want cash.
Niya.
Your love language is definitely money. I just want cash.
Credit is good, but you need cash, anak.
Yeah. Credit is good, though. But I barely